Happy quarantine, everybody. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today we're gonna be making something super delicious that you can make at home because everybody should be staying at home. It is called whipped coffee, or in other translations, probably I'm gonna say this super wrong, Dalgona. Looks a little something like this. Get a little zoom in right there. Bam. We're gonna use instant coffee, anything that you have in your pantry, sugar, hot water, and milk. Proper way to use it is just whisking it, but I have an electric whisk, so it's gonna be a little easier. But for some of you, if you don't have an electric whisk, it may take a little longer. But without further ado, we're gonna get right into this. Let's go. All right, here we are. I got all the setups that we need. We have the mixing bowl or glass, said bowl, mixing glass, electric whisk. We got a bar spoon right here. Instant coffee, which we're gonna use dark roast. And today's sugar that we're gonna use is coconut sugar. I like the taste of this. You can use any sugar, I'm sure it'll work. All right, so here we go. Let's get you a closer look. Pulling out the instant coffee. We're gonna do the 1-to-1 ratio of sugar and instant coffee, and then we're gonna pour some hot water in there. And then we're gonna start mixing. I'm gonna put about 2 bar spoons of instant coffee. Get the coconut sugar. So I put it in this glass so I can show y'all how it's gonna mix. So if I put it in a regular bowl, you won't see anything. Alright, so now we're gonna soak all this. It's about enough. To be honest, I'm just eyeballing this, to be honest. Really not sure if that's how much you need, but going on a limb here and saying that's how much you need. There we go, we got you some B-roll for this. But this is the whipped coffee. Pretty hyped. I may have added too much water when I was mixing, because it, I've seen other whipped coffees and they're pretty like peanut butter texture, so maybe we might have to revisit this again. But for now, this is pretty good. It looks good. Let you know if it tastes good. Let's see. Getting some caramel nuts. Honestly, if you can't make it to Starbucks, this is the closest latte you can get with simple ingredients. I definitely recommend that you try this. Definitely give it a shot. But this is definitely worth the shot. I said shot like 3 times. Oh well. But yeah, if you want to see more coffee videos, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make some more for y'all. Until next time, catch me later.